I told you I wanted. Wait a minute. Let me finish, and I'm gonna let you talk. Okay. And I told you I wanted to have a test that week because it's the beginning.
Nobody that week, sir. No probation office or nobody had contacted me that week. That's what I'm telling you. I haven't gotten in contact with nobody until this second time we went to court. I tried to contact. I told you guys this. I've been calling. I've been doing everything you guys been telling. I've been doing everything by the book. I let you guys know that I hadn't heard from that probation office. I had called and I let you guys know this.
This defendant is accused of a serious DUI. He swears he's been following the rules, but the judge isn't buying it. Let's see what happens.
Take the offer, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Deshawn Gant Jr. What is the offer?
The offer is driving while intoxicated.
Driving while intoxicated. You know that's a 6-point offense, Mr. Gant. I'm gonna that is going to be a suspended license. Now, on this one, Ms. Payne, is this going to be suspended and restricted by operation of law without him having to do anything? Or is this going to be suspended and then he serves the restricted?
My understanding, it is the Secretary of State, once they get the conviction, will suspend it.
All right, so this will suspend your license, but on the on the visibly impaired, the lower 4-point offense,
it's a
that is like it's suspended, but it's automatically reinstated with a restricted license.
Correct.
And I don't know whether this does that or not.
I don't think it does, but I think he would have to petition the Secretary of State for a restricted license. I do not believe that is something the court can do any longer.
So you understand that, sir?
Yes.
And you want to take the deal?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Did you go over his advice and rights with him?
I did, Your Honor, yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible?
The judge immediately questions his story about the drinks he had.
What did you have?
I had 2 Long Islands at a bar.
Long Islands. They must have been doubles.
Excuse me. Mr.
No?
Gant?
They must have both been double shots.
No, it was a mixed drink.
I don't know if 2 Long Islands is going to get you over 0.17. Is that all you had that day, sir?
That's all I had at that bar that night. 2 Long Island iced tea.
They weren't watering those shots down, were they? Long Island. If there's marijuana, then that's not going to get them over 1 point. We're talking about just alcohol. Yeah. All right.
Yeah. You probably had more than that.
Right.
Big mistake.
Let's adjourn the matter for a minute.
Right. How you been doing?
0.205 is the first result on the data master, and 0.195.
Drinking all day.
I just I find it hard to believe that 2 Long Islands will get you that intoxicated. But I don't have any reason to think that you are not being forthright with the court. You seem to be very upfront and adamant about you only having the 2 shots of Long Island.
There.
Do you think that that liquor impair your ability to operate this motor vehicle?
Yes.
Now, the real drama begins, the testing history.
Well, how's this? I mean, you've been on bond already. How have you been tested?
I've called the probation office and know that when I went to go test, they had me testing for the wrong thing. When I went to go test, they had me testing for everything but alcohol. So I called the probation office and let them know that they had me testing for the wrong thing. And he was supposed to call me back and, get it squared away so that I could be tested for the right thing. Because I've been down there 3 times to test, and they keep testing me for the wrong stuff.
You've only been 3 times?
Yeah.
That's not good. Let's pass it. Let's get probation involved. Because even if you're testing for the wrong thing, you've been on bond for months now. I should have way more than 3 tests.
I was only the last time I came to court was the first time you told me that I would start testing when you set me up with the probation and stuff, and I got in contact with the probation officer.
But that's been way more than 3 weeks ago.
Right.
Right? So you're only telling me that you've been 3. You're supposed to go every week. So you've only said you've been 3 times. We have a problem already. We're starting off on the wrong foot.
I'm not understanding how, because I started the testing like you told me to, and then once I realized that I was getting tested for the wrong thing, I contacted you guys to let you guys know. The guy just called me.
Okay. Let's stop.
The judge isn't convinced and lays out the facts as he sees them.
Let's not. Listen. I understand that. I heard all of that.
Very confused. I don't understand. I'm trying to do everything.
Let's slow down. Let's get you. Let's get the understanding here. Do you hear what I said? I understand that you tested and you were tested for the wrong thing.
Yes.
And that's not your fault.
Right.
But what I asked you to do the last time, I asked you to go every single week. And I didn't even look at the dates yet. Let me see, it's right here. April the 23rd. All right, and then we went through May. So that's 1 week. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I should at least have 8 tests, even if they're all for the wrong thing. Do you follow me?
I'm not following exactly when I was supposed to start testing. That's where the misunderstanding is.
You were supposed to start on April the 23rd. I told you that would have been a Tuesday like today.
Yeah,
I told you I wanted, wait a minute, let me finish and I'm gonna let you talk. Okay? And I told you I wanted to have a test that week because it's the beginning.
Nobody that week, sir. No probation office or nobody had contacted me that week. That's what I'm telling you. I haven't gotten in contact with nobody until this second time we went to court. I tried to contact. I told you guys this. I've been calling. I've been doing everything you guys been telling. I've been doing everything by the book. I let you guys know that I hadn't heard from that probation office. I had called and I let you guys know this. The last time in court, you told me to that not to contact the probation office. They will call me. That's what you told me the first time in April, and I did, and no one contacted me. So I started contacting you guys. That's how we ended up in the situation we was in the last court date.
This is a type of advocacy I want to see some of the defense lawyers come in with.
The judge calls in the probation officer to reveal the truth.
Yes, Judge. Yes, Judge.
An update on Gant, please.
Your Honor, Mr. Gant was referred to test with an outside agency, Affordable Testing Service in Detroit. That referral was initiated on April 29th, 2024 for testing once per week. The last time Mr. Gant tested at the outside agency Affordable Testing Service, that was May the 8th, in which he was negative. He has not reported since then. He's still to report. And I have no idea why he did not test. As indicated, he did not contact me saying he had any issues or whatnot. His initial test was on the May 4th, which was positive for marijuana, and he was negative for alcohol. So as it relates to Mr. Gant, that's where we are today.
Okay.
The judge delivers his final verdict on the matter.
Let's do this moving forward. All right, let me say this. You have the courts, you know how to zoom in. You have the ability to. You have your attorney's number, right?
Yes.
You have the probation department's number. You indicated that you left messages. He said he didn't get any messages. I'm not gonna go back and forth with that. But moving forward, this is like your one time here. And we'll leave the stuff in the past that's in the past. I hope that moving forward, you don't have any issues. And if you do have an issue, I expect you to utilize the court, your attorney, and Mr. Bradfield. I don't want any excuses moving forward. I don't want any misdiluted or positive tests. All I'm concerned about is the alcohol. All right?
Yes, sir.
We have that understanding now?
Yes, sir.
All right, so let's get back on track today. Now, I'm gonna say it one more time. Today is Tuesday. I expect that you get tested this week and every week thereafter. And I'll excuse that first week of when you first came in here, because I told you to test, it was the week of May 22nd, you were supposed to have a test. And Mr. Bradfield came in here and indicated that they didn't even get the referral until the 29th. So you would automatically be excused for that week. But the other subsequent weeks after May the 8th, we're not gonna go in that direction anymore. We're gonna move forward. I hope that all of them are gonna be negative for alcohol or not diluted or no mistest, so we can put this matter behind.
The judge gave him a final chance. It's a powerful reminder that honesty and accountability are everything in court. What do you think will happen next?